about digital leadership before we send it to the printer. I want to hear your final thoughts on the content.
To be honest, I think we need a data rewrite for chapter 4 and 5. The data is a byte of that, and it's without issue and change it now. The book will lose its credibility in 6 months.
I strictly disagree with Riri. If we rewrite those chapters, we will lose Naila's original voice. The readers want her authentic experience, not just update statistics. We should keep it as it is.
But agile business move fast. Authentic voice is important, but accuracy is paramount. It insists we do a deep review of the technical parts.
And good points. I want my voice to stay good, but I also don't want to publish wrong information. Is there a middle ground?
From the marketing side, Riri is right about the data. However, Agile is right about the branding. Maybe we can just add an update section at the end of choose chapters without deleting the original story. That's a great compromise. Really, you assist Naila with the news data review Agile. You ensure the tone remains consistent. Let's aim for a final Wednesday.